At the Speedfire, you're going to see that your job is popped up on the touchscreen. We're going to select our job, and we're going to do number 30, Katana Zirconia 1. You can see there are a couple of options. There's pre-drying, which we're not going to use because we dry milled our crown. We are going to choose sintering. And the door is going to open, and it's going to come down, and we're going to load our restoration. So now the restoration is going to go on the firing pad, and we always want to put it on the largest surface possible. In this case, it's going to be the occlusal surface. We want to make sure the margins are up because there's that 20 to 30% volumetric shrinkage during sintering. And if we put it margins down, it's going to drag across the firing pad and distort our margins. On an anterior crown, we're going to want to place it on the lingual. All right, we're going to press the go button. And the lights come on and the door will start to close and it rises up. Okay, so our crown is now ready. It's really super hot, so we're just going to take it out and place it right in the center of this fan. And as soon as that's cooled down, we can take it and finish it with some post-sinter polishing and get it ready to cement.